Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be fishing and yeah, let's get right into it. Alright guys, this is the tackle box. We got a bunch of spinners, crap ton of hooks. We got some nice frogs here. Some spinner bait. I don't even know what those are. We got a bunch of spoons, some Yamamotos. And yeah, we got a couple more things that are a bueno right here. We got a duck. We got a rat. And we got a really good looking fish. So those are all the lures we got. You guys, look what Jake just caught. Literally on his third cast, I think he caught a crappie. That's a big one too.
Should we eat it?
I don't know, man. I think we should still fish.
No, we're still gonna fish. We're just gonna fillet it and leave it on the bench and come back. Okay, guys. I was just reeling this in as fast as I could, and I was literally right on shore. Oh, and this little pickerel just hit it like a truck. Literally, he jumped like a foot up the water just to get it. Now we have to get him off. Then we have to get him into the water. Guys, look at this fish. It's a beautiful fish. Smallest pickerel I've ever seen in my life, though. Here we go. Oh, look at him go. It's a beautiful fish. That was super unexpected right there. Well, let's keep fishing.
Alright guys, Jake's one.
Holy shit!
Oh, he's a big one!
Oh! Look at this toad!
Oh my gosh.
This is what bit earlier.
I literally just asked if this was a bass lure too. And there it is.
It's like the size of the one Andrew caught.
Jeez. That's a big one. He's whipping ya.
Get the scale out of my bag. It's in the very front pocket.
Alright. Scale, get a good scale, get a good scale. Okay, where's that scale?
Very front pocket.
This is the very front, right here?
Yep. Turn it on. Hold down the on button.
On.
Should I wash them off first so we get a nice pick of them?
Yeah. Okay, there we go. It's on.
Actually, I don't want to lose them.
Wow. Okay, get that thing right on there. Look at that. He's a huge one.
Big one.
That one looks like it's bigger than that one that we had earlier. Like a good one that we tried to eat. Look at that guy.
Guys,
It's rising. Nope.
we got a 4-pound bass here.
That's a big bass for 4 pounds. Alright, let me hold that sucker.
Okay, it's really heavy. Let me just wash them off. The one Andrew had was...
Don't let go of it.
I know.
Is it really that heavy?
Okay, can you take a picture of me?
Yep.
Actually, no. Keep recording. Look at the tummy on him. Feel that.
Holy, he's a massive
Oh, my hands are
one.
too slimy, actually. Here, can you grab that out of my pocket? And just my passcode is... Let me just tell you. Let me just type it in.
That is a big guy right here. Look at that.
Okay, get a picture of me.
Alright guys, we got our third fish of the day.
Let's go.
Comment below if you know what it is.
It's a crappie.
It's a crappie. That lure's been doing us good today. I haven't gotten anything. Jake's been getting the good ones. It's all nasty. Look at all that mud right in that third hook. In the second pair of 3. Wow.
Guys, got a nice little crappie. I'm just kidding. It's just a crappie.
Can I see that guy? Can I see that guy?
Yeah, you can let him go. Oh wow.
He's crap. I'm gonna drop him.
He like didn't even bite. He gave no fight. I didn't even know what happened. I just feel a little like chicken pecks.
Okay, well, I just washed off my feet.
Just launch him out there. Who cares?
Oh yeah.
It's crap.
And see ya.
Our last piece missed and he's hit the ground.
All right. We'll come back if we see another one.
See ya.
All right, guys. 4th catch of the day.
All 3 trebles are in his lips.
Jake caught a perch.
You guys just missed it. Huge ass pickerel just came up and
Yeah,
swooped at it, but it missed it. Fucking chotches.
Oh yeah, and his lure broke, but as you see right there,
We only got the head.
he's only got the head of the lure, but he still caught a little perch.
And everything's hitting it like a truck. I think the like better. What the fuck?
It's going everywhere.
You're just hooking yourself even worse, buddy. Can you hold them while I take the hook out? Just push down all the spines. You're gonna get spined like that, but okay.
Okay, wait. All right. So we'll see you when we get the next one. A big chunkamunka. He just did a huge belly flap. Belly flap.
He
Flop.
jumped literally like 3 feet out of the air while we were catching him.
Oh my gosh, that was awesome.
That was great, guys.
Good catch.
Why are all these fish jumping today?
I know, they're all jumping. They're all little hoppers. Oh, Michael Jordan's over here. All right, guys, it's day 2 and on fishing. Yesterday was pretty successful. I'd call it successful. I caught I got 1 fish. I think Jake caught 4 or 5. I can't really remember. 4. So yeah, let's see how our luck turns out on day 2. All right, guys, my first fish. Got a bass. First fish of the day. We're gonna scale this chunky. Look at him.
Where is he?
It's right on the ground.
Is he big?
Not really.
Is he scary?
I think he's bigger than yours. Longer.
Eh.
I don't know.
Okay, take the hook out of him. Shoot, he's gonna.
All right. We're gonna scale this chunky.
Should I wash him off first?
Sure.
I really got one.
All right, guys, look at, he's bleeding right now because he was squirming around in that scale. Hopefully he's okay.
Wanna go, buddy?
There he goes.
Oh, he's a big one.
You guys look at, found a super small snake.
A couple of them so far.
Maybe caught 2 or 3. There he goes.
A little garter snake.
All right, guys, got a second catch of the day.
First bass of the day.
That's a small bass. Look at that largemouth.
LMBs. Hold this.
We had no luck in our last spot. This day was pretty bad. It's way too sunny and the wind's blowing the wrong way.
Fuck me. Fuck me. I'm pretty sure the GoPro can survive in the water for a couple seconds. Ah! I'm getting sprung by wall. I walked into a wall fast. Run! Run!
I'm running!
There's a lost nest!
Oh, shit!
Get up in the fucking spot! Ah, the thing's still stinging me!
Run! Ah, fricker bush! Woo! Jack!
Guys,
You
this
got-
thing got attacked. It attacked us.
This thing attacked us right here. This big beehive.
We took out half of it.
Yeah, we were throwing rocks at it and sticks at it.
Pretty dumb, but.
Look at all those sticks. So yeah, they stung us yesterday, so yeah. All right, guys, it's day 3 right now. We pretty much just woke up. We woke up like 30 minutes ago, and we came over here and started fishing again to make this video good. So yeah, See what kind of fish we can catch today.
Oh, got fish. Got fish. Got a fish.
Oh, Jake got one. Little perch. I think it looks like a perch. Yep, it's a perch. Look, he didn't even hook it in the mouth.
Oh, look at his eye.
You get him right in the eye?
Yeah.
Turn around. Oh, got him right in the eye.
That's terrible.
That is nasty.
Yeah. Oh no, I missed it. But if he shakes, it's gonna get me now. You have to lip him, but he's not opening his damn mouth.
I can open his mouth though, like. Get him nice and horny.
Stick your finger in there. Deep. Deep, he's gonna be shaking.
I can't do deep.
Deeper, please. Fuck.
What a. Oh, got it out of his eye.
What a retard.
He's just shaking his booty everywhere. So yeah, that's number one of the day.
Number 2. We gotta play two already.
Oh yeah, we gotta perch our bait. You got him?
Can't open his damn mouth.
You gotta stick your fingernail in there.
I don't have a fingernail. I point it because it's kind of hard.
There you go. Get him right where you got bee stung. You got hooked.
What?
Did you get hooked? Here he goes.
A la who snapped.
Alright guys, third catch of the day.
That was easy.
It was right next to shore, so I couldn't pull my camera out in time. It was literally right on
I thought it was snagged on a branch. Ah, I have a cut on my thumb, guys, so it hurts to grab my lips sometimes. That's why it takes so long.
Oh,
Look
yeah.
at, oh, something hit him right in the ass one day.
Where?
Little scar.
That's his ass.
It's a little scar, right above it. Sorry. Hey guys, release video. If you're wondering why we're stalling so much, it's because, you know, we need more time for this video so we get more views.
There he goes.
Ah, bitch, you slashed me.
Lit. Alright guys, I was just over untangling my lure from a tree. And Jake got one.
Whoa, whoa, I'm gonna wait for him to calm down for a second. Oh, there it goes.
Flopping like a fish.
He is one. There you go.
Large mouth.
LMBs.
Nice.
Let's let him go. Nice. That was easy.
Oh. Yep. Alright guys, we got another frog here.
Oh, there he goes. Remember guys, catch and release.
Alright guys, we were just walking and we found a wood frog. Pretty lit.